trying to find good lighting. There we go. Today I'm going to be doing a long-awaited spring and summer clothing haul, a try-on haul with super cheap stuff. I'm going to be linking everything down below if I can find it. I am 35 weeks pregnant. If you can see, nothing that I'm going to be showing you guys is maternity, but it is all stuff that works with the bump friendly stuff, dresses, jeans, all of that fun stuff. A lot of people have been asking where I've been getting my tops and dresses from in some of my recent videos, so I'm super excited to do this video for you. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I always appreciate you. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My nails are super busted. I chipped one of them last night and just went ham on the rest of them. I took all of the gel off. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul. Another thing I wanted to let you guys know, do not mind the mess in the back. And also, some of these clothes that I'm going to be sharing with you guys were sent to me in PR packages and they were free, but in return for getting these clothes, the companies want my honest opinion and reviews on them. So as with everything that is sent to me for free, I am going to give you my honest opinion because I don't want you to buy anything that I wouldn't buy. So here comes my honest opinion for everything. Okay, so this first dress, I am so in love with it. It's super flowy and really thin cotton. It's not see-through. Like I said, it's very bump friendly. Look how adorable it is. I love it. Paired up with these shoes, can be dressed up or dressed down. I am dressed up in these wedges right now. I got these last year from Ross for $24.99, and lo and behold, they have them again this year. This dress is also from Ross. This dress is from that company. I cannot pronounce it, but it's maybe Lapogi Worldwide. Guess how much this cutie pie dress was? It was $12.99 at Ross, and so cute. You can wear it on the shoulder, off the shoulder. I'm just wearing a Victoria's Secret strapless bra underneath here because if I didn't, my very swollen boobs would be like out there. This will be really good for a wedding, Bohemian, going to the beach. You can get married in this. Super cute. Okay, so look how good this still looks. This is completely dressed down. I threw on a fedora hat, threw my hair back in a quick ponytail, put on a wraparound bag. This is just a Kenneth Cole reaction bag with a little bit of fringe on it. The light's not very good in here, you guys. I'm sorry. I tried to do this by the window. And then just threw on some slip-on bands. Super cute and functional. Can go to the farmer's market in this. Can go through a stroll in the park with all three of my babes pretty soon. Okay guys, here is another super good bump friendly score from Ross. This is from Derek Hart. I love this. If you don't know who Derek Hart is, he's just a designer that I have bought from years. I always find him at Macy's and Ross. Obviously, Ross has way more cheaper prices than Macy's, but look how good this dress is. It accentuates all your curves. I think it's so cute and sexy. It's so lightweight and airy. I paired this guy with just some simple jewelry, costume jewelry that I had laying around, and these are from Forever 21. So cute and comfortable. There is nothing more comfortable than this dress right here in this whole entire haul. And you guys, like I said, all of this stuff is bump friendly. None of it is actually maternity. So when I'm done giving birth on May 11th or whenever she decides to come, I'll be able to still wear all of these fun, easy transitioned pieces all the way into summertime. I paired this with these super cute Steve Madden slides that all of the bloggers have been raving about. There is a $79 price tag on them. I got mine at TJ Maxx for $34. So cute. I love them. And when I tell you how much it cost, you are gonna die. This right here is $10.99. Everything that you find there is very hit and miss. So if you want to get any of this stuff, like, go right now. Because they could have a whole bunch of these in my store, in my city where I'm at, but they could have none where you're at. Bump friendly little maxi dress. Ugh, I love this dress. I'm so comfortable. Another super cute Derek Hart. Love how it literally accentuates every single curve on your body. It makes my bump look so cute. Okay, sorry, that was my OBGYN that called. So this dress, it's almost like a bodycon dress. If you can see these cute double straps that go across the little boobies. And I just really quick threw on this vintage Liz Claiborne straw hat that I got at Goodwill so many years ago, and I knew it was going to be so good one day. I saved it for all these years. It has a big split right there. You can see some of my jiggly, but that's okay. On this side, it does not, but it gets a little bit looser down here. And I paired it with these universal threads from Target. These rusty colored little slides. I got these ones with another pair that I'm going to show you of gold flip-flops. They are also universal threads, I believe, but they were buy one get one 50% off. Target does that frequently, so look for those buy one get one half off sales that they do. Nice rusty brown color, and they're really comfortable. They have a little bit of padding at the bottom. It is very good and very comfortable. Love it. Yeah, baby. Okay, I'm back. So I quickly threw on this oversized, super destroyed denim jacket from Forever 21. I actually seen a girl wearing it the other day at the grocery store, and I was like, oh my god, where's that from? And she's like, it's from Forever 21. And I realized it was the same one that I have. So it was like 22 or 23 bucks. Goes super cute. Threw on these slip-on Vans. Here's another farmer's market look, you guys. I love this. So good. You guys, these next couple of pieces that I'm going to share with you guys are from a PR package that I received last week from a company that was so kind to send it to me. Their name is RoseWe, and it is spelled R-O-S-E-W-E. I hope I'm pronouncing the W-E right, or maybe it's RoseWe. But they were super kind to reach out and ask me to be a part of their review team, so I totally jumped on it. So they let me pick out a couple of products, and I chose to pick out this dress because I felt like it would definitely be bump friendly and work with my growing bump, and then I would also be able to sport it after baby girl is here throughout the whole summer. So this is so cute. It fits really well. I feel like it's a little bit loose. This is a size medium. I definitely could have gotten a size small and I would have been good. But one thing that I really love about this is that it has these amazing pockets, and they are deep, and it has adjustable straps up here, and this is all the way down on the furthest strap because it runs a little bit big and it's a little bit longer. I'm 5'5". Again, this is size medium. I paired it with those universal thread sandals that I told you that I got for half off at Target. And this dress again is from a place called RoseWe online. They have really good reviews. Really like this company. I want to thank them for sending this to me and reaching out to me and doing a collaboration together. And then this is just my little $4.96 hat from Walmart. Just has a little tie up here. So again, here we have that same Feathers Essential Maternity tank with these American Eagle jeggings. So cute. And just simply threw on those Steve Madden slides. So yeah, super cute, you guys. The last thing that came in the PR package from RoseWe or RoseWe was this blouse. Super cute and flattering, but I am pretty sure I do not have it on the right way. There was absolutely no instructions with how to put it on, so I don't know if it's on the right way or not, but it is very cute and it goes really well with these jeans. It is bump friendly. See, look, there's like a big gap right here. I don't know if it's on the right way. And I paired it with these Guess wedges that I got from Ross. It is very cute, but I can tell it's definitely going to get a little bit uncomfortable throughout the day because I'm going to be trying to fix like these gaps and stuff like that. If this came with instructions on how to put it on and I knew how to put it on, I'm sure it would fit so perfect. That is my only complaint at this point, is that I do believe that I put it on the completely wrong way. So yeah, this is from RoseWe. I really actually do like this shirt, and I'm glad this is what I picked out. I think I'm going to play around with it a little bit more as summer gets more near and figure out the right way to wear it, because I'm pretty sure the right way to wear it is going to be so cute. Easy fix. I forgot about this little bit of an edgy look that I threw together. My friend Sarah came over with these really cute jeans that are on. They are not jeans, they're like a jegging material. Super stretchy. They have slits going all the way up them. That leg and also this leg, they are such a good Amazon find, and they were $12.99, and they are not maternity, but they have this band around them. It's not a button, not a zipper, nothing. Just this band that goes super comfortably over my belly. So cute. I'm linking everything that I can find down in the description box. So one of my last outfits, this right here, this kimono here is from Ross. It was $14.99. Super cute. It has bell sleeves all the way at the bottom. It drapes down to a little bit below my knees. Again, pairing this top and this kimono with these American Eagle high-rise jeggings. Threw my hair back, added a little choker from Forever 21 and this piece of gold hardware. This was from Ross for $4.99. This is also that Feathers Maternity Essentials. Super big and stretchy. It's going to wash up really nicely because of the nylon material, and it's also going to be really good for breastfeeding. Just pop it out, give the baby some boob. Because of the nylon polyester material, they are going to easily shrink back to my normal size, which is like a small medium after the baby's born. So yeah, and I paired this here whole outfit with those Steve Maddens again. This color here is such a versatile color. It goes with everything. As you've seen, I've worn it with so many different outfits in this video. And again, such a steal at $34.99 at TJ Maxx. They had white ones, this color ones. I want to see how these ones hold up. If I like them, which I am thinking I am going to like them, I'm definitely going to get a pair of the white ones. Those will also be a really good staple for summertime. So yeah, you guys, I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed all of these clothes. Get some good inspiration to go out and get some non-maternity spring and summer clothing pieces that are still really cheap and bump friendly. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Crissy Marie. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Please give me a big thumbs up. Have a good rest of your day. Bye. Bye. Bye.